¿Todo bien?
Está bien.
Está bien.
शिला भक्ति विचार विष्णु गोस्वामी महाराज की जय।
ओम नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वैभव हरिगोस्वामी नामिने गौरवाणी प्रचाराय दृढ़संकल्पमूर्तये कृष्ण शक्ति स्वरूपाय भक्ति प्रदायिने नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनर्पितचरिं चिरात् करुणयावतीर्णः कलौ समर्पयितुमुन्मत्तौज्ज्वलरसां स्वभक्तिः श्रियां हरिः पुरटसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितौ सदा हृदयस्कन्दरी स्फुरतु वः शचीनन्दनः। अङ्गश्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दीकृतेन्दीवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिसां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम्। नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम्। भवे भवे तथा भक्ति पादयोः तव जायते तथा कुरुष्व देवेश नाथ स्तंनो यहि प्रभो। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनं तं नमामि हरिं परम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे गोविंद श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे श्याम राधे राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे श्री राधे श्याम राधे श्री राधे प्यारी राधे श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे श्री राधे श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि. The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotra Sata Srila Sri Bhakti Vaibhav Goswami Maharaj Nitya Leela Prishta Bhakti Jivana Janardhan Goswami Maharaj Nitya Leela Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Nitya Leela all our Guru Vargas and Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada, all our Goswamis, Parampara Acharyas, they shower their mercy to us, we will be able to enter this nectar of the Supreme, our God and Goddess. I offer my respect and love to all participatory devotees, Vaishnavas. In Purushottama month, we are continuing from Srimad Bhagavatam. Rupa Goswami, particularly, he mentioned this Uddhava Sandesh, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who was enjoying this separation mood of Sri Radha Krishna's conjugal love in his last part. By the mercy of Srimad Bhagavatam, we were discussing 10th canto, 47th chapter. Yesterday, we were discussing 18th verse, where Radharani actually glorifying, but little angry mood. In Sanskrit, Rupa Goswami has written this Vyajastuti. Vyajastuti. In this mood of separation, she became angry because Krishna did not come. Krishna told, after one day I will go, one day I will join their feast, festival there, and then I will return. And they were waiting. Actually, they are not ordinary. They are the form of deity of the Prem, internal potence, Mahabhava, Sarupin. So, this is naturally it comes. Our in human body, some particle with every living creatures there. We are also part of the fragmental part of the Supreme Lord. So we have also feelings there. But in a material condition, this is covered by this illusory energy. So it is not coming openly. Just like fire inside the wood. We don't see fire, wood, but wood is one. The fire is one another form. If we touch the fire, fire come out and smoke go out. When fire come out, the energy, fire, hot, burn, all are there. It come out and again it merged with this Abhya Rupa in air everywhere, and there will be no more wood, become ashes. No fire there, no hot there. Where they has gone, energy changed, some ashes there. Like that, we are our living entity, Jiva, the consciousness, this light, this Satchidanandamaya, in Swarupa, conscious. It is covered by these three modes of nature. So it is not blooming, not coming the light, energy, cover this. But the feelings is there. Therefore, these scriptures by a written knowledge about the Supreme Personality of Godhead is love. Everyone here is searching for love. They are living for love. They beg for love. Everyone. But what is real love? This is the Ananda, this is Rasa. So it is coming to our realization, and by hearing and by chanting and remembering this power of this katha, this Sabda Brahma, because love always reciprocating by more by katha words. So Krishna's katha very difficult to give up. We can give up, we can forget him, but difficult to his living his katha. Katha is prana. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna told Matchita Madagata Prana Bodhayantaha Parasparam Kathayanta Samang Nityam Tushyanti Charamanti Cha. Matchita Madagata Pranaha, who are my devotees, who offer their life to me, Matchita, who are always thinking to me, Bodhayantaha Parasparam, each other, they are reciprocating, Matakatha, Bodhayantaha Parasparam, each other, Kathayanta Samang Nityam, always they are discussing about me, Tushyanti Ramanti, they become so satisfied and they more enjoying this more and more. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Sikhyastaka first verse he told, Pratipadang Purnamruta Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Pratipadam, one word, Pratipadang Purnamruta Swadanam. Full, complete, nectar, how much you want, you drink, one word you can become, you will satisfy. Purnamruta Swadanam, Sarvatma Snapanam, all our soul, mind, sense, body, everything jump. Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam. In Ananda Ambudhi, ocean of Ananda, this bliss, this happiness, transcendental happiness of ocean is not little, one drop. This is not a drop in this material world. Just swim there. Purnamruta Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtan. This is Krishna's Kirtan. Sravana, Kirtana, Smarana. All. If Kirtana, where is Kirtan, there is also Sravana. Hearing there, remembering there, all there. So, this is the power of Krishna's katha, and who hear this, Dvandva dharma vinashtaha, he told this always gives suffer, because Krishna's, who in this material world, they are very carefully, with enthusiasm, they prepare their house, their family, wife, husband, father, mother, brother, all together. But who hear this Krishna's katha, if husband hear, then he rejects to wife. This is Maya. If wife hear, she will reject to husband. So this is Maya. If father hear, he can reject to son, children. If son hear, he will reject to mother, father, everyone. This is the problem of his katha. He will destroy all this. And who has written this? And this, the innocence, living soul, what he is doing? This Vyasadeva and Valmiki, who has written this, they are just like putting in net. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's commentary there. So who has given this katha? Vyasadeva, and he trained to his son, whose son rejected to him from birth. Who is father, who is mother? I am going to Himalaya. After he also heard chant this verses, his katha. From Brahmananda also he attracted again, and he heard this. Then he also became mad, and he everywhere go. He also speak this katha. Shuka mukhadam brutta drava sanjutam. This Bhagavatam. They put net, and this bird, like a bird, he rejected his house. Oh, pati, patni, wife, husband, children, father, mother. Who hear this? He rejected this. Then go like Dina, where they can eat. Even they don't take also money, anything. They go anywhere. Okay, Krishna is there. He will give. So somebody will give something they will eat, and going and hearing the katha. This is the powerful of like poisonous of his katha, and they suffer. Father who live, they suffer. If husband here, he say, oh, to say wife, whole life they grow with their all attachment, with affection, with their love. 1 second after here, this is Maya, and go. So distant, he becomes so cruel. It's no compassion, no affection. After here, became so hard. So this is katha like, because he is also saying. Krishna is also like this. He has no any other. He is cruel. He come to us, he speak, oh, I became your in debt. I never live in whole 3 planet. I never happy with like you. When I come here, I feel happy. No one is dearest like you. He speak like this. So this is the katha, very difficult to give up. This and many like Narada, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanat Kumar, and many sages, they become beggar, then they go to beg to Madhuguri, like Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and all the many others. They give up their opulence, they give up their Aishwarya, opulence. They became beggar. All they become beggar, and they come to Vrindavan, and they beg to us. We are suffering also here. They come to Vrindavan, they beg for eating, and they live to hearing his katha. Many comes to Vrindavan, who become Vairagi. They give up everything, we will go to Vrindavan. Mostly in Odisha, we saw there. If they quarrel in their house, immediately they say, I am going to Vrindavan, become Babaji. So they prayed. So like this, because of his katha, they becomes like bird, and they go like everywhere they stay and take some food. They don't want anything. Then they go to beg, and they comes to us also. In Vrindavan they come. Many they are, you see, everywhere there. Not that we are maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 they come. No, many. Their history also you find many. So how we can give up his katha? Very difficult to give up this. This is, yesterday we discussed this verse. There are many meanings there. If we go to enter many example history after hearing this, how many examples there? You see, from America, for Europe, for after hearing, they also give up everything. They become like beggar, they saved their head. Kali Yuga, who can head the Kali Yuga? Lavanyam Kesha Prasadanam. In Kali Yuga people, they're all beautiful, beauty is in the hair. So many advertise for hair. This, what is the parlor, no? One time if you go there, you have to make up this, they are giving so much money. They after hearing Krishna, they take out everything. Just putting in some tilak and mala, some dhoti, kaupan, that's Jai Radhe Bolo, Hare Krishna. Finish their life. So this is many examples. This Radharani's mouth comes this katha's power of this katha. Then related to this, then again next verse, she told, Vayam Rutamiva Jimha Vyahrutam Sraddhadhanaha Kuli Karu Tamibhagyaha Krishnabadhoha Kuli Karu Tamibhagyaha Krishnabadho Harinyah Dadrusu Rasakrudeta Tarnakha Sparsha Tibra Smara Ruja Upamantrin Bhanyatam Anyavartaha. Now, after speaking about this katha, then he told Upamantri. They called Upamantri. Upamantri means who is Krishna's messenger but intelligent. So he knows how to convince. So this, as a bumblebee there and Uddhava there is equal, the analogy is there. So she told, we also believe his katha. What he speaks, we think this is true. But how this is, just like a hunter goes to hunting to deer. And the deer, they are innocent. Night time they go there and they sing. So when they attracted to song, they say their deers, they like song. If some song there, they come to hear. So they don't understand who is singing there. So after hearing this, they come. After they came, there are hunters and they shoot the arrow. What will they do? They don't know. Agya. Previous verse, Uddhava argued there, if you know everything about them, their past life also, Ram Avatar he is done, Vaman Avatar previously he has done. Only if you know everything. So why you are attracted into this argument? May bring, because this verse I told like Krishna Badhoha. Krishna means black deer, and the Badho, the sea deer, they are more attracted to hear this song. So where vayam rutamiva jimham vyahurta sadhanaha kuli korusamiva gyaha krishna badhva harinyaha krishna badhva harinaha harini, the deer attracted to hearing. So he also play this flute. We are attracted for that. See, he was coming and he was speaking. Oh, I am very fortunate to be with all of you. Sometimes she come and she told, oh, you are so beautiful, I can decorate you. And he bring the flowers and make us decoration with his nail. With nail, the sharp nail, he also rub our and make us like shooting the arrow. Create our passionate. And we told, I cannot live without you. I cannot stay without you. I cannot sleep without you. Come, I am indebted to you. You always say like this, I will stay always with you. Now we believe this. He is speaking truth. We think this is truth. But really, this is full of this cheating like a hunter, singing when the deer come, then kill. His nature is to suffering others. Vayam rutamiva jimham vyahurta sraddhadhanaha kuli karutamiva gyaha krishna badhva harinaha dadrushu nakhaswasta tanakhaswarsa tibra. He gave so much pleasure and speak to catch the mind. Rasakrudna tannakha swarsa tibra smararuja upamantrini bhanyatam anyavarta. Now, please tell other topic, other subject. Forget him. We don't want to hear about him. We don't want to do this. You speak. I convinced you. His past life, his another past life, many incarnations he has done this. All these are duplicates. All these are cheating. I told you. So if you know something else, tell us. Don't speak again the same thing. Oh, to speak other. Without Krishna, you speak. So this Bhanyatam Anyavarta. Anyavarta. About other topic, you speak. We become happy. We become happy and we will also respect you. And we know this. Also sometime he will also cheat you. So Uddhava also there. We already with Krishna also cheated to Uddhava. In the last time when Krishna wants to go to Goloka Vaikuntha, he told to Uddhava, he gave this, and he told you stay here. Everyone he took. Anyway, they fighting, but everyone wanted. He told Uddhava, you stay. You have to distribute this knowledge to this Kali Yuga people, because Kali Yuga people, they need this knowledge, because they lost what is real religion and what is the goal of life. They don't understand by Kali. So, in this way, this verse, Radharani little became angry and he told to completely from mind, don't hear about anything about any, told this. Then this bumblebee little go out go out within 1 second. He go and come. This 1 second when he go out, Radharani could not also tolerate. No patience, because maybe he became really angry and go away. And maybe he go and he will speak to Krishna like this. So he is how our prana priya, he is the dearest. He is so full of these transcendental qualities. Maybe I became angry. I told maybe he left. So next verse again, change the mood. Because when she was there, he was speaking. When he left, the bumblebee go away outside. When go other side out of her eyes, seen, then again when calm, then next verse he told, Priya Shakha Punaragaha Preyasa Presitaha King Varaya Kimanurunde Mananiyo Sime Angam Nayasi Kathamiha Ashman Dustyaja Dwanda Parsham Satatamurashi Saumyang Sri Badhu Shakamaste. So the bumblebee will go out from his side, maybe hiding anywhere outside. Krishna also knows how to trick, He came like bumblebee there to bring out this bhava. Then again come. When he left, I thought, oh, maybe I speak hard and maybe became angry. This is one symptom, says kalahantarita. One of many. Kalahantarita means inside is also something, oh, maybe I speak very hard, maybe I became speak very slow, maybe I feel bad, why I did speak, little change the mood. So again when she came, then Radhan became little passive, change. Then he told, oh, Priya Shakha, then she called her, Priya Shakha Punaragaha. Oh, you came again. You think, oh, maybe he went Mathura and came went to Krishna and again came. Because there is Mahabhava, even one eyelid time, one moment, they also feel like kalpa. So here, Priya Sakha, oh, Priyasya Sakha, dearest friend, Priya Sakha, Punaragaha, again you came. Preyasaha Preyasita Kim. Maybe you went there again, he sent you, okay, now I am staying in Mathura, I am staying alone. Go on with me. Why you are so angry? Go and convince there. Presa Presitaha King wanted to make some agreements, sandhi. How we can go there and how we can stay? Maybe Mathura, he is not there. Maybe. But Lakshmi Devi, Goddess Lakshmi, always with him. Lakshmi Devi is always staying in his chest like a golden line, golden mark, gold. He always stay there. Priya Sakha Punaragaha Preyasa Presitaha Kim Varaya Kimanurunde Mananiyoshime Angam Nayasi Kathamiha Asman Dustyaja Dwanda Parsham Sataptam Rashi Saumyang Sri Bardhu Shakamaste. Is Saumya. Saumya means Soma. Soma means moon. Moon always looks beautiful. Everyone they see, they enjoy this moon. It's cold, its light rays are cold and beautiful. How much you see, you enjoy this. Not like sun. If you see maybe 1 second, 1 minute, you see sun, you finish your eyes. You cannot see to sun. But the moon, everyone enjoy this. So now calling you are Saumya, you are like full moon, you are so beautiful and soft, cool-minded, because how much I was chastising, you always tolerate. Never speak any word and become angry. So you are very sober, soft, and like moon, Saumya, he told. Satata Murashi, always existing with his chest, Lakshmi Devi, goddess of fortune, always staying there. Now, maybe he sent to you again, he's calling, okay, Punaraga. Okay, you come to Mathura, you will stay with us. So you came to take us to Mathura. How we will go, Mathura? This is impossible to go to Mathura for us, because he is always living with others. La goddess fortune, Lakshmi Devi always with him. So for us to go there, Mathura is very difficult. Actually, Mathura to Vrindavan, how much distance? Anyone can go. It's not difficult. They always they go by boat. They cross Yamuna and going to selling milk, yogurt, butter. All they are always coming and going to get the information. So little they also afraid. Maybe Krishna, if Krishna is in Mathura, then nice we hear something. If we go from Mathura other place, then we cannot get also his information. So some fear also there. So then next verse, Situla Pivata Madhupuriyam Arjaputro Dhunaste. Arjaputra. They called now Arjaputra because Krishna took a initiation, Upanayana. This Upavita he took. Gargacharya gave him initiation to Krishna. He became Brahmachari. He went to study Santipani's ashram, Gurukul. So he became Arya. Before was a coward. Now they say he became Aryaputra. Aryaputra means Vasudeva's son. So they became angry also. They told this Yadu and Vasudeva, others are very cruel. Nanda Maharaj is innocent, he is coward man. And he went with his son. They told this is our son. How is it possible? And they told you go, we will come. See, Nanda Maharaj, he is innocent. He came and he fainted in the house and he is crying for that, could not do anything. So Vasudeva and this is Yadus, they say this is our. Actually, we discussed before, because Kamsa, how he was controlling them and punishing them, he put his father in jail and his mother was also there. And Kamsa took throne Jarasandha's two daughters, Hiti, Prahiti. They became queen. So his mother was before queen. She is no more queen. He was suffering. Now Krishna came, killed everyone. Then Kamsa's father Ugrasena became king. Now Kamsa's mother Padma, she became queen. So, but it's always fear there. Maybe Jarasandha attack or demons attack. Then who will protect? Without Krishna, no one there. Krishna Balaram. So if Krishna Balaram go to Vrindavan, then they will again kill us. So she does not want, they don't want to Krishna again go to Vrindavan, because Vrindavan they say this is our son, our friend, our lover. So they intellectually, diplomatically, they wanted to speak against Vrindavan inhabitants. So one day they told in their courtyard, Devaki also, she said, my son, Yashoda mother was suffering. So here in this verse, these pastimes, Radharani came out, Arjaputra. Arjaputra adhunaste, Smarati saha pitru gehan saumya bandhuscha gopya gopan. Anytime you are always friend with him, so maybe sometimes he remember to his father, his mother. Anytime he speak about glorifying his mother Yashoda or Nanda Maharaj, they are innocent. Now they Yadus, they kept him. As he is also Nanda Nandan, he is also innocent. Change mood. The bhav changed. And she told, she is innocent, therefore they caught him. Anytime when they sit and they discuss, anytime they can remember to this Vrindavan, Braja, his father, his mother, how they are suffering. When Krishna left, they give up their sweeping to their house to clean, and no more cooking. They lost their all enthusiasm life. Never he think about one time to them, you hear this, and another time told, then Pitru Gehan, Smarati sa Pitru Gehan, Saumya Bandhuscha Gopan, Subala, Sudama, Madhumangala, all they are suffering, they are like dead. They always with him, he was here, they always with him day and night everywhere. Without them, they don't stay 1 second. Many, they have pastimes. Anytime he hear, he discuss about Subala, about Sudam, Madhumangala or any friend, hear you anytime. And anytime he also remember to us when he was with Mathuras, all their ladies there. Anytime they can discuss about us, oh, gopis are very nice. They make me very pleased. Always they are giving garland, nice sandal paste. They nicely they make garland to offer me. They are nicely singing with different ragas. So they have nice playing veena and dancing also with different rhythm. So in Mathuras, all ladies, they are not so expert. So anytime when they have these pastimes, he remember us, have you heard this? And he, in this verse, harmonize everything. Sri Vardhu Shakamaste Saumya Bandhuscha Gopan Kochidapi Sakathanaha Kinkarinang Brunite. We are Kinkari. We surrender to him without any motive. We give up all and without any our motive, desire, just to serve him. We Kinkari. Kinkari means we are servants, made servants of him. We serve him with our everything to him. So anytime Kochidapi sa kathanaho kinkarina grunite, anytime she gives some praise words or discuss about this, so we are more. And he always says, no one is like you, how you please me by singing, dancing, talking, and preparing food and drink and flower garland and decorate. All this, how they prepare a kunja with different flowers and they bed with flower. All this Vrindavan Saris, how they prepare this with these arts. Anytime one word he can remember us and speak, you hear this. Bhujamaguru Sungandang Mudhya Dhasate Kadanu. Here a little fear, maybe he is now Mathura, he came from Gurukul, maybe he will leave to other place. So we will not get any information from him. Now he is Mathura, so from Mathura we can get some information. So little fear if he leave and she wants to know. Anytime she will come and his hand, Bhujamaguru, where is decorated by sandal paste, musk and camphor and saffron. This hand decorated by him, he put in our head again any time to remembering Krishna's. All little angry and changed anger, the love mood they changed. Then they started again to cry together, to remembering Krishna. With all gopis who are there, they started to full of just like soul, the brain melting, the consciousness melting when becomes like sound and flowing everywhere. And when enter this to Uddhava's, here Uddhava also melted completely full with them. He also flowing like Ganga, the spiritual water. Same, the soul is melting and flowing by their love of also Uddhava also floated there. This is in Rupa Goswami by Mahaprabhu's mercy and desire. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's inner desire, Manobhishtam. He wants to himself to enjoy this mode of the love to distribute the supreme God and Goddess to distribute to others. Sri Rupa Goswami, he has written one verse and with his qualities, mood, bhava and one words there, one name. It is Jalapa, Bijalapa, Ujalapa, Sanjalapa. These 10 types of 10 verses. This is in Mohonakhya, in separation mood, become Mohana. Mohana means lost intelligence, lost of the feeling everything. This condition, this coming to this prem, bhava, Rupa Goswami has given this knowledge who are eager and who are enthusiasts really who wanted to enter this ocean of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Rupa Goswami has written Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Sindhu means ocean, Bhakti Rasa. And he, inside the Sindhu, in the ocean, many jewels there, many pearls there, many the Ratnakara, everything is inside the ocean. So Jalana Rupa Goswami told there is bright, a blue stone there, blue stone, bright, Ujjala Nila Mani, that is inside the ocean. So, who are experts to go to inside the ocean? Bhakti Rasa Amruta Sindhu, Bhakti Rasa Amruta Sindhu, nectar of this Bhakti Rasa, this ocean, who pass the waves, enter inside and took this Neelamani blue stone, it's Krishna. And he has given Radha Krishna's this pastimes. This is based on Bhagavatam. So nothing is concocted or created, imaginary. It's Bhagavatam, authentic this. Sukhamukhadam Bruta Darvasanjutam is from all the Vedic literature, 4 Vedas, and Vedanta, Upanishad, Mahabharata, Ramayana there, all 18 Puranas are there, all this essence they took. This is like a Nigama Kalapataruho, this wheeling tree there, the Vedic tree, it is ripened fruit. When it comes, Paramahansa, who is beyond of these moods of nature, Avadhuta like Sukadeva Goswami, who has no any material, any sensual, any feeling of this external attraction. It's naked. He was moving everywhere, and he came and he narrating this Leela among all Brahmarshis there. His father Vyasadeva there, Vyasadeva's father Parasara there, Parasara's father Vasishtha also there. They are all the sages there, Bhrigu, Angira, Vasishtha, Paulastha, Vishwamitra, Valmiki, Vyasadeva, Gautama, Satananda, Jaimini, all they are philosophers, writers, they are present there. They are hearing this nectar. Everyone accepting this. In this Kali Yuga, if you had this, this most to come out the Supreme Lord's these pastimes by this. After hearing Uddhava, when he saw they are how much eager to see Krishna, to hear about Krishna, then he opened his mouth, Uddhava. How Uddhava now speak to them, we will discuss from tomorrow. This is in there in Srimad Bhagavatam, and our Guru Varga, so many commentaries there. So who are really want to advance, who has lost this material, this attraction, no more desires, mind was peaceful, they want to go to more advance. This is always like a ocean to swim there. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhuveva patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaurahari, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Sachinandana, जय गौर हरि जय सचिनंदन विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन नदिया बिहारी विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन नदिया बिहारी विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन जय सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि जय सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि गदाधर प्राणधन संकीर्तन बिहारी गदाधर प्राणधन जय सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि जय सचिनंदन जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि प्रिया प्राणधन नदिया बिहारी हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि जय गुरु गौरांगधर गिरधारी राधा बिहारी जी की जय विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर महाराज की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय श्री पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय हरिनाम समूह की जय समस्त भक्त वृंद की जय और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि
एवं विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रय का आचार्य सत्र सत शिष्यमत श्रीला भक्ति विचार विष्णु गोस्वामी महाराज की जय।
Hare Krishna, Gurudev. Thank you very much for your mercy.
Hare Krishna, Danda Pranam Maharaj, thanks.
धन्यवाद to all. हरि बोल धन्यवाद।